Okay, guys, this is Trial Notebook tab 5. This is titled Defendant's Physical Evidence. So, if you or a loved one have been arrested, and even before you necessarily get an attorney and you hopefully made bond, start getting your trial notebook ready. Again, this is Defendant's Physical Evidence, and it seems so basic. But if you can do this, it will really, really help your attorney, and it will motivate them, and it will help them basically acquire and know where to go to present evidence for trial or at a pre-trial motion. Okay. Number one, you can read it yourself, but here you go. Acquire applicable physical evidence. So if somebody was injured, take photos. If there's any receipts, if there was a bat, if there's emails, receipts, you were threatened and it was self-defense, text, social media, acquire that. Also, create anything. So if you had to go to the doctor, create a record that you had to go get your medical records. You might have not had a photo of the moment that you were threatened, but if you can get something after the fact, go take pictures of the location where the incident occurred. Um, get a receipt after the fact if it's legitimate. Get all these things to prove that you are not guilty of a charge or less a lower level of accountability out there. Also, once you get this, time is going to pass. It can be 6 months, year, 2, 3 years until a case goes to criminal trial. So once you get them into this notebook under tab 5, make another sheet and label each piece of evidence that's in there. And if it's something you can't physically put in there, identify it. Baseball bat in my room, okay? And basically describing what each item is and its connection. And again, like I just said, identify where the location of each item is. So basically, this is you are building your own case, and then we'll supplement this with any discovery. Because remember, prosecutors, they don't have to prove you're innocent. They have no obligation to. They only have to prove that you are guilty or someone that you care about is guilty by the requirements of the law. They are not obligated to go out to find evidence that somebody is not guilty of an alleged crime. So just remember that. All right, guys, I hope this helps. I'll make other notebooks for the future tabs here. All right, bye bye.